How can you measure the mass of a body? Mass is a fundamental property of matter. So it does not depends on temperature, pressure, and location. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Kilogram is inconvenient unit in dealing with the atoms and molecules. Let's say when a atomic mass unit is 1.10 power minus 27 kgs. Mass of common available objects can be determined by the common balance. Large masses can be gravitational methods, while small masses are measured with mass spectroscopes, which was the principle of motion of charged particle in electric and magnetic fields. And how can you measure the mass of a physical mass of a body? How? What are the dimensions? Dimensions are the units of fundamental physical quantities. Their no, units of physical quantities which fundamental physical quantities are raised. There's mass power, length power, time power, like that. So any physical quantity can be measured by any physical quantity can be getting from fundamental physical quantity such as mass, length, time, temperature, current, like this physical quantities. Their powers are raised. Dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula? Physical quantity representing with the fundamental physical quantities, their powers are raised, which has an expression. Sorry. So these are the different physical quantities, their general formula, SI unit, symbol, and and you can get the dimensional formula of each physical quantity. What is meant by accuracy? Accuracy depends upon the closeness of measured value with the true value. So there is a smaller the uncertainty, accurate will be more, accuracy will be more. And whatever the precision is depends upon the instrument that is resolving of decimal points in the measured value by using the instrument. Minimum value that can be measured by it. The resolution of limit of measurement accuracy depends upon the resolution of instrument. The measurement is more precise means lot of decimals will be there. Now while you are doing the measurement of physical quantity, you will get different errors. Error means uncertainty. Uncertainty will arises due to different situations. Errors, systematic errors, and random errors. Systematic errors due to instrument using, maybe instrument errors. In that also constant errors, environmental errors, personal errors, imperfection and experimental technique, and imperfect procedure. How to minimize the systematic errors? So minimize systematic errors depends upon the higher resolution in the instrument. Now taking the care to avoid the personal bias, improving the experimental techniques by estimating the errors and applying the necessary corrections. Now how can you get the random errors? The random errors, irregular power supply and temperature sudden fall, sudden change if the experiment is related to heat. The gross errors. Now whatever the instrumental error, least count error. Least count error is due to different instruments. If an instrument having least count is very small, then you will get error is very small. Accuracy also very small. absolute error, relative error, percentage errors. These are useful in exam. Fundamental physical quantities, multiply and divide it depends upon which depends upon the given theory, then you'll get different tailored physical quantities and their measurement. In the measurement, we have to observe the significant figures. Significant figures, addition rules and multiplication rules. Addition, subtraction are similar. Even division, multiplication different. So significant figures, their rules for the addition. Significant figures in the measurement of a physical quantity.